Hey, dance shoes ready, get ready to practice. Bam! What's going on, guys? Herman here. It's another Shine tutorial. Go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you like it, and share with your friends. It really helps me out. Look at the new t-shirt. Bam! Awesome. Enjoy the video, guys. What's going on, guys? Herman here, back with another Shine tutorial. Let's get right to it. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna cross 1, tap inside, tap outside, and cross on 4. So I go 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go cross, in, out, in. A view from the back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go cross, tap inside, tap outside. There's no weight in this taps. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and cross 5. I put all my weight on that left foot. I'll do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna kick out 5, step behind, cross over. 5. 1, 2, 3, cross, kick, step behind, cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, cross, kick, step behind, cross. 1, 2, 3, cross, kick, step behind, cross. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here from the front, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 5, 6, 7, and cross, tap, tap, cross, kick, step, cross. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you start, you don't stop until you finish, meaning you're going to step every quarter beat. You're going to go bump, 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 bump. No breaks in the middle, no stopping. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're there on 7. I want to do a right turn. 1, 2, 3. Land here on 5 together. 6, and I'm going to slide to the side. 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it again. So I do a right turn, 2, 3, 5, slide, 7, and basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, from the back, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, slide, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more, 5, 6, 7, and 1, turn around, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I take it all the way from the top. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, tap, tap, cross, kick, and cross. Turn around. 2, 3, slide. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, turn around. 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the back. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, and go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Are you ready for music? Boom! Boom! Awesome job, guys. Congratulations on making it all the way to the very end of the video. I hope you liked this shine. I hope you learned something. It was a short one. Make sure you practice at first with slow music and then start to speed it up, get faster and faster until you become a tornado. I want to turn you into a salsa ninja. Send me a direct message. Maybe you can set up a private lesson through either FaceTime or WhatsApp. I want to help you out. Hit me up. Stay in touch. Again, leave it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you like the video. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. Until next time. Boom!